Welcome to Echoes of Nature. Today, we venture deep into Madagascar's forests to uncover the secrets of the Fossa, the island's most elusive and skilled predator. Let's dive into 5 incredible facts about this enigmatic carnivore. At number 1, Madagascar's top predator. The fossa is the largest carnivore on Madagascar, and it preys on everything from insects to lemurs. At number 2, a mongoose relative. Although it looks like a cat, the fossa is more closely related to mongooses and civets, making it a unique part of Madagascar's wildlife family. At number 3, long tail for balance. The fossa's long tail, almost as long as its body, helps it balance while leaping through trees in pursuit of prey. At number 4, retractable claws and flexible ankles. Like cats, the fossa has retractable claws for gripping branches and flexible ankles that allow it to climb down trees head first. At number 5, day and night hunter. The fossa is a carnivore animal, meaning it can hunt during both day and night, making it a relentless predator. The fossa is one of nature's most intriguing predators, blending cat-like agility with mongoose ancestry. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible animal, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Echoes of Nature. Let us know in the comments what animal should we explore next.